Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to unlock Samsung TV remote control. Let's go. Step 1. Check if the remote control is working. Point the sensor at the camera and press the buttons. If the sensor is flashing, then the remote control is working properly. Remove the batteries from the remote control. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Insert the batteries into the remote control. Let's check it out. Done. That's it. Now you know how to unlock Samsung TV remote control. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.